every word to word you have told me as it is. Yes, now Kavya, after learning these techniques and putting into implementation, how easy it was to memorize and what is it you
Um,
want to share? How is it feeling?
yes, sir, it was very easy. Matlab, I didn't even have to memorize, just making those symbols and
Okay. Kavya, what concept is this?
sir, it is what leads to sustainable future.
Perfect. So, what are you studying and what
Um,
exam you want to crack, or why you have joined this
Sir,
class?
actually, I'm just done with my 12th and I'll be starting my college. So I did not have any concept to memorize, so I chat GPT a concept.
Perfect, perfect. But do you feel this is a difficult concept and you have taken this? You want to try this using this technique, right?
I mean, I just asked the concept and I chose the first concept it
Perfect,
offered.
perfect. So let's see if we can do it. Close your eyes. Start. There's the answer.
Okay, so what leads to sustainable future is clean energy, and we have the types of clean energy are solar energy, wind energy, and hydroelectricity. The usage of clean energy, the advantages of usage of clean energies are it reduces the effect of greenhouse gases which cause global warming, and it also increases green jobs. And the usage of clean energy also promotes energy security.
Perfect. On dot. You're a big round of applause. Super. On dot. So every word to word you have told me as it is. Yes, now Kavya, after learning these techniques and putting into implementation, how easy it was to memorize and what is it you
Um,
want to share? How is it feeling?
yes, sir, it was very easy. Matlab, I didn't even have to memorize, just making those symbols and putting it out on paper. Even if that itself made me memorize it.
Brilliant, brilliant. Now compared to before, tell me, if at all you had to memorize this almost 5 to 8 lines, how much time did you take and how much time did you save?
So right now, though, I memorized it in 3 to 4 minutes only. I just had to make this. Otherwise, it took me whole 15 minutes.
Superb. So how confident are you now after learning all strategies now? How confident are you now that the upcoming courses, whatever you take, either you take engineering or whatever you want to study, how easy it would be now?
Yes, so now I'll apply these techniques in engineering, and I feel it would be better there. And it will help me a lot.
Great job. Great job. Thank you. Yeah, we can make it better. I'll discuss more about that. But one suggestion, Kavya, I see that you are munching something and you're telling the answer and you're memorizing.
Sir, I was having dinner.
Yeah, I understand. But whenever you are sitting now, this is okay for today's class. But my suggestion to everyone is not only Kavya, you alone. Anyone, when you are studying or you want to do something regarding your studies, don't have the habit of doing both. Okay. So what happens is now the brain is thinking about what you're eating and what is your memorizing. So this is consuming time. So never do that. Right? Perfect.